Hey guys, what's happening? How to recover deleted apps on iPhone. So go ahead to your App Store or Google Play in order to recover them individually. So if you have specific apps that you want to recover, just go ahead and look it up and download it again. The second way you can do, you search for your avatar icon at the top right, and then go to the apps and search for the app that you want to recover. Okay, so let's say Widget Smith. So I'm gonna search for the Widget Smith, and any app you downloaded on your iPhone will be saved on the apps right here, so you can recover them later if you delete them. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.